Okay, once again, with taking a small interval of 5 minutes, I will come back with again resume my lecture verse for this one. Okay, my question, okay, the question now, the next question, the next question, what they are going to ask in this fashion, a sewer which receives a storm water surface runoff and also a sewage. This question is already I told, and answer also I told, that is one, there is one sewer which is also going to receive a rainwater or the storm water, but also the sewage from the domestic building. Understand or not? That sewer is known as what? Okay, the question now, a sewer or a closed conduit which receives storm water or the rainwater runoff and a sewage or a liquid sewage is called as, 4 options are there, my friends. One is known as a common sewer, second is known as a combined sewer, third is known as a branch sewer, and the fourth one is known as outfall sewer. The right answer is the B, which is the combined sewer. My boys, I told you that sewer is known as a combined. Why the word combined has come? Why the word the combined has come? The combined sewer is that sewer which in combination carries the storm water or the rainwater from the surface runoff, but also the liquid sewage from the residential building. Both the liquid sewage and also the storm water or the rainwater from the surface runoff, both are being carried in a single sewer, which is known as the right answer is a combined sewer. 4 options are there, my boys. Common sewer first, second combined sewer, third is known as a branch sewer, fourth one is known as a outfall sewer. The right answer is a combined sewer. The right answer is a combined sewer. That's why now I will club the question with the answer. The combined sewer is that sewer which receives a storm water from the surface runoff and also a sewage. It also receives the sewage as well as the storm water sewage from the runoff, which is known as a combined sewer. Combined sewer is that sewer which in combination receives the surface runoff water or storm water and also the sewage. Go to the next, my boys, question next. Top space is left free in a sanitary pipe. Sewer is nothing but a pipe. You must have seen in a closed conduit, the top surface, because all the sewers are not running full, understand or not? It may be of any diameter. Even if you just see that the top surface of the pipe, closed conduit or a sewer consisting of a gap, correct or not? There should be a top space is being left. The top space is being left. Now, what for this top space is being left? The question now comes, what for this top space is being left in the sewer? Now question is that top space is left free in a sanitary sewer is for what? Is for 1, 2, 3, 4. Again, first is gases to accumulate, second is fluctuation to be met, third is allowing shock loading, fourth is maintaining uniform pressure. The right answer is first one, gases to accumulate. I told you already, as the sanitary sewage consists the dangerous gases, correct or not? Those particular gases which comes from the sanitary sewage have to accumulate on the top surface of the sewer. So to make the gases to accumulate on the top surface of the sewer, then the top space is being left. That's why the top space is left free in a sanitary sewer for gases to accumulate. The gases to accumulate. The right answer is first one, the gases to accumulate. Coming to next question. The lowest point of the interior of the sewer or the drain at any cross section. The lowest point of the interior of the sewer or drain at any cross section is called as, okay, the sewer, I am telling you, if you take the sewer, there will be a top space, I am telling you again, just now I told, a top space which is left to accumulate the gases, then remaining portion, top portion the middle portion and the bottommost portion, correct or not? Then the middle and the bottommost portion where the actually sewage is being carried. I repeat once again, the bottom portion are the lowest point of the sewer. The bottom portion are the lowest point of the sewer. Sewer is known as, a particular word is given for that thing. The bottom portion or the lowest point of the sewer or the closed conduit is known as the bottom point of the cross section of the sewer is known as. Read the question once again. The lowest point of the interior of the sewer or a drain at any cross section is called as, 4 answers are there. One is known as bottom point, second is known as the negative head point, third is known as the revertal point, last is the D answer. D is the invert. Invert is the right answer, my boys. Invert is the right answer. I am going to combine the question with the answer now. Invert is the lowest point. I repeat now. I am combining the answer with the question. Invert is the lowest point of the interior of the sewer or a drain at any cross section. At any cross section, which is called as invert. The fourth option, invert, is the right answer. Let's go to the next question. Okay. Now select the suitable code. Look here now. There are two lists there. One the list 1, list 2 is there. Now my boys, now I am going to read the list 1 first. Select the suitable code he is reading. Now I am going to read the list 1. 1 is A is sewage, B is sewer, third is known as a sewerage, fourth is known as a sillage. Understand or not? In the list 2, now again 1, 2, 3, 4 answers are there. In the list 2, 1 is a drain, second is known as a wastewater from the bathroom and kitchen, third is known as a discharge from the latrine and urines, and the fourth is science of carrying wastewater. Okay, you have to write which is the right answer here. Understand or not? Now the right answer is, okay, option now I am going to write, give the things. Answer is, the right answer is, right now, for A, look here, the right answer, sewage will be a discharge from the latrines and urinals. Right answer I am going to choose. Now from the list 1, the right answer from the list 2, I am going to read it now. Sewage is nothing but the right answers in the list number 2. Third one, sewage discharge from the latrines and urinals. Next, sewer is, the answer is nothing but drains. Sewers is nothing but answer number 1, list number 1 in the list number 2. That is the option 1 in the list number 2. Sewer is nothing but drains. Next, the third one is sewerage. Understand or not? The right answer is the option number 4 in the list 2. That is, the sewerage is a science of carrying wastewater. Sewerage is nothing but a science of carrying wastewater, number 4. Okay, last one is the sillage. Sillage is nothing but, the right answer is waste from the bathroom and kitchen. So look here my boys, just now I told the meaning of all these things. I told what is sewage, what is sewer, what is sewerage, what is sillage. Now you have to pick up the right answer from the list 2 and combine it together. Okay, now I already told you. Next, we will go to the next question. The water carriage system of collection of the waste product. The water carriage system of collection of the waste of the water is known as, look here. Again, before going to the question and all, I would like to give the answer for the questions. There are two type of the systems, the carriage system. One is known as a conservancy system, second is known as a water carriage system. Understand or not? In the sewage system, the carrying, whatever that, the carrying of the waste, carrying of these particular waste material or liquid waste, there are two systems are widely used. One is known as the conservation system, second is known as the water carriage system. So the water carriage, now question comes now. What is the question now? The water carriage system of collection of the waste product. Now question now. The water carriage system of collection of the waste product is known as, So now one A, B, C, D options I am going to read. Is cheaper in initial cost than the dry conservancy system. First option. Second, requires treatment before disposal. Third one, creates hygienic problem. And the last one is all of the above. Understand or not? Now, the water carriage system is, okay, for this answer, the water carriage system of collection of the waste product is again, it again creates a hygienic problem. The right answer is, the creates a hygienic problem. It is not cheaper or whatever that, but requires treatment before disposal, nothing of that, then the problem is the answer C is the right answer, creates hygienic system. Water carrier system is more hygienic, correct or not? More hygienic, where by which the disposal or carrying of the system, carrying of the wastewater through the closed conduit or the cruise or saver is most appropriate. So the water carrier system of collection of the waste product is creates sorry sir, I am going to tell you again, not creates hygienic, it will not create a hygienic problem, it is very good in that. The answer is it is cheaper in the initial cost than the dry conservation system. It is the cheaper in the initial cost of the things, understand or not? In the overall science I am going to tell you, conservation system, that water carrier system will be that system where the water, sufficient quantity of water is being added to the sewage so that it can be collected from the point of collection to the point of disposal. So this is what exactly the things. Okay, coming to the next question. Water carrier system needs, okay, very simple question, I don't know. Water carrier system needs more water. So again 4 options are there. Water carrier system needs more. First option is men, second is area, third is water, fourth is money. Look here, the answer is there in the question only, understand or not? Water carrier system needs, answer C, water. I don't know. Water carrier system needs water, not men, not area, not money. Therefore water carrier system needs what? Needs more water. More, the option C, water. Water carrier system needs more water. Okay, the answer is C, water. Okay, next go to the things. The water carried sewerage system or water carried sewerage system removes. The water carried sewerage system removes what? Understand or not? The water carried sewerage system removes what? There are options are 4. One is the domestic sewage, industrial sewage, storm sewage, and fourth answer is all of the above. My boys, answer is the fourth one, all of the above. How exactly? I am going to combine the answer with the question. The water carriage sewerage system removes not only the domestic sewage, removes not only the industrial sewage, and removes storm sewage. Means all these 3 answers, all these options, water carriage system or water carriage sewerage system removes what are the things? It removes domestic sewage, industrial sewage, and also the domestic storm sewage. So the answer is the last one, all of the above. Okay. So all of the above is the answer. The water carriage system removes all the 3 type of the sewage, which is a domestic sewage, industrial sewage, and also storm sewage. Go to the next question. Water carriage system is preferred to dry system. I told you already there are 2 systems. One is known as the conservation system or a dry system. Another is known as the water carriage system. So now he is asking water carriage system is more preferred to the conservation system or the dry system. Because why? The answer. Again I am going to read the option. Sewage is carried in a covered conduit without having any nuisance value, or treatment is given to the sewage prior to its final disposal, thus reducing the chance of the outbreak of the epidemic. And the third is there is no depth of water, and the last one answer is D. D answer is, look at things, it is A and B above. A and B are the 2 answers which are right answer. Now I am going to combine the answer with the question. So water carriage system is preferred to a dry system or to the conservation system because answer 1 is A, sewage is carried in a covered conduit or the closed conduit without having any nuisance value, without having any problem at all, without having any nuisance. Second answer is also true, B, the treatment is given to a sewage prior to its final disposal. Treatment is given to that particular system where the water carrier system liquid, which is always given a treatment. The treatment is always given to that sewage prior to the final disposal. Before disposing, then the prior treatment is also given to this water carrier system sewage. So the right answer is first A and B. A is that, B is this. Okay, the water carrier system is prepared because of these 2 options, A and B. Go to the next, my boys. The method in which various types of refuse are collected, conveyed, and disposed of separately. So the method, what is that particular method in which various types of refuse. Various types of refuse are collected, conveyed and disposed. CCD. What is the CCD? Collected, conveyed and disposed of separately. Disposed of separately is called as 1. A conservation system. Option. Second, dry system. Third is known as a water carrier system. And fourth is the answer either A or B. Either A or B. Understand or not? Now answer, I am going to club the answer with the question. The method in which various types of refuse are collected, conveyed and disposed separately is called as it may be called as a conservation system or a dry system. It may be called as a conservation system, dry system. In fact, my boys, conservation system and also the dry system are the synonymous word. Both are same. Understand or not? That's why the conservation system and also a dry system which is calling are those particular methods where these particular different type of refuse are collected, conveyed and disposed of. Okay, disposed separately. Going to the next one. In a compound sewer, when only the industrial or sanitary sewage are flowing, then it is termed as. Okay, and now question, now other things. I repeat the question once again. In a compound sewer, when only the industrial or sanitary sewage are flowing, then it is termed as. Okay, options are 4. One is known as a storm water flow, second is known as a industrial flow, third is known as a ordinary flow, fourth is known as a dry weather flow. The right answer is dry weather flow. Dry weather flow is that particular word in a compound sewer, which is carrying not only the industrial and the sanitary waste, but is the industrial waste and the sanitary waste are combinedly taken in a big sewer or a compound sewer, which is generally known as dry weather flow. The right answer is the fourth one, the dry weather flow. Coming to the next one. In a combined system, the same sewer is intended to carry both. So in the combined system, the same sewer, single sewer is intended to carry both. What are the both things? Answers are 4. Domestic sewage and the industrial waste. Second option is domestic sewage and the storm water flow. Third one is industrial waste and the storm water. And last one is a D, dry weather flow and the storm water flow. Last answer, the D, answer D is the right answer, my boys. The last answer, why? Dry weather flow and the storm water flow. I already told you the meaning of that thing. Storm water is nothing but rainwater. That is also being carried. Then the dry weather flow carries the industrial waste and the sanitary waste. All these together will be carried in a system called as a combined sewer. The combined sewer is the same sewer which not only carries the dry weather flow but also the storm water flow also. The right answer is the fourth one, dry weather flow and the storm water flow. Next, let's go to the next one. If a portion of the storm water is allowed to enter, if the portion of the storm water is allowed to enter the sewer and the water remaining in the storm water flows in a separate set of sewers is called as. Okay, look at things. Try to understand things. A portion of the storm water is allowed to enter in the sewer and the water remaining storm water flows in a separate set of the sewer. So look here. So only the rainwater or the storm water is being carried in the sewer only. That is called the current. Then only part of it is carried. Part of the storm water is being carried in the sewer and remaining part will be carried separately. The question is that remaining part of the storm water sewage storm water flow is being carried separately. That system is known as what? That system is known as not a combined system. Combined system will carry full amount of the storm water as well as the sanitary sewage. Here is using the part of it, a portion of it. Therefore, the answer is the fourth one, the partially combined system. The partially combined system is that portion. Answer is fourth, partially combined system. A portion of that storm water which is allowed to enter in the sewer and the water remaining, that particular water remaining from the storm water flow in a separate set of sewers. The answer is the fourth one, which is a partially combined system. Let's go to the next question, my boys. Partially separate system. Again, next question is also of the same type. Partially separate system is. Four options are there, my boys. A, collecting DWF and storm water in the same chamber. DWF, dry weather flow. First is collecting DWF and storm water in the same sewer. Second is collecting DWF and drainage of the initial shower into the same sewer. Third is collection of the sewage and sillage into the same sewer. And the fourth one is it is more suitable in narrow streets. Okay, partially separate system is what? Partially separate, just now the question, the answer for the previous, the partially separate system is collecting the dry, collecting the dry weather flow and the drainage of the initial shower into the same manner. Understand or not? Part of it, correct or not? Collecting the dry weather flow and the drainage of the initial shower into the same sewer. Then the remaining shower or the rain water will be carried separately. The answer is B. The partially separate system is collecting the dry weather flow and the drainage of the initial storm water into the same sewer. The answer is B. Come to the next one. Okay, which of the following statement is wrong? Now, question is now how is asking now which of the following statement is wrong about the combined system of the sewage? So, in particular towards the combined system sewage, which statement is wrong here? Again, which of the following statement is wrong about the combined system of the sewage? There are four options are there, my boys. One is in the cities with less intensity of the rainfall, this system is more suitable. And in the second one, it is in this system, cost of pumping is high. And third option, less degree of sanitation achieved in this system. Fourth is, it is more suitable in narrow streets. The right answer is the C, which is a less degree of sanitation is achieved in this system. Now, look, now I will come to combine the question with the answer. Which of the following statement, which statement is wrong as far as the combined system is concerned? No, combined system of sewage system is concerned. Wrong statement is, it is less degree of sanitation is achieved in this system. Wrong, it is a wrong statement. Less degree of sanitation is achieved in this system. That is a wrong statement. The right statement is what? More degree of sanitation is achieved in the combined system. Correct or not? Now the wrong statement in this question is, as far as the combined system is concerned, combined system of sewage is concerned, is a wrong statement. A less degree of sanitation achieved in this system. The wrong statement is that. Coming to the next one. Question. Combined sewerage is preferred. Combined sewerage means the combined sewerage, I told you already, combined sewerage is that sewerage where it carries not only the liquid sewage from the domestic building, but also it carries the waste. It also carries the storm water, rain water, both together. The sanitary waste or the sanitary sewage or the sewage from the residential building, but also the storm water from the rain combined together, it is being carried. That system is known as the combined sewerage. It is where it is preferred, where the combined sewerage system is preferred. The answer, I am telling you, four answers are there. In the cities with more intensity of the rainfall, if streets are narrow, if due to topographic, third one, if topographic feature, the pumping is required. If high degree of sanitation is not required, the answer is the combined system is in the cities with more intensity of the rainfall. In the cities with more intensity of the rainfall, because most of the wastewater, if it is, even though it is running half, then this storm water helps, the storm water or the rain water helps in creating the self-cleansing velocity. That self-cleansing velocity due to the rainwater combination or the storm water combination into the sewer is definitely going to enhance the combined sewerage system adoption. Understand? That's why the combined sewerage system is more preferred in the cities with more intensity of the rainfall. Go to the next question. leaping weir is provided only in leaping weir. There is a particular word is being used. Leaping weir is provided only in. 4 options are there, my boys. Conservancy system, separate system, partly separate system, and the combined system. 4 options are there. The leaping weir is always provided in the option C, partly separate system. The partly separate system of the carriage of the sewage through the sewer is always known or preferred as a leaping weir. That leaping weir is a synonymous word where it is being provided in a partly separate system. Answer is C, partly separate system. Let's go to the next. Most suitable section of sewer. Most suitable section of sewer in a separate system. I will go to first of all things. So you may ask me the question, sir is only talking about separate system, combined system, and partially combined system, all these things. I am going to define what exactly. So the words what exactly. These are all the conveyance of the sewage or carrying of the sewage. Understood or not? Under that there are first one is known as separate system, then combined system, partially separate system. Correct or not? Now I am going to tell you in the partially first of all separate system I am going to define. Separate system, a set of sewers are being used to carry only the waste, only the liquid waste from the residential building. In next combined system, in the combined system, it carries not only the liquid waste from the residential building, but it also carry the storm water or the rain water from the runoff. So that is called as a combined system. And partially and the partially separate system,